Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to have an exciting topic to discuss, creating an email campaign with Builderall. Email marketing is a powerful tool for engaging with your audience and driving conversations. Builderall offers a friendly platform that specifies and simplifies the process. So let's dive in and learn how to create a successful email campaign with Builderall. The first step, of course, is to set up your Builderall account. If you haven't done so already, please check the link below and get started with Builderall today. Now, once you've created your Builderall account, you will be greeted by the Builderall dashboard or home screen. And from here, we need to obviously go down to the email marketing section. So Builderall uses MailingBoss for their email marketing software. And so from here we can select MailingBoss, or on the top by apps we can also click on MailingBoss. So once we click on MailingBoss, we will go to the MailingBoss dashboard or homepage. Now from here, when this is your first time setting up MailingBoss, you will have this page and all of these marks will be crossed. And so you need to go through this step by step to actually set up your MailingBoss. Okay, so of course the first thing here is verify or add your company information. So this can be your website, your campaign, your company, your business, whatever it is that you're trying to run your campaign or your ads, whatever you're trying to run your email marketing for, you can set it up over there. It says here to connect and verify your domain. So of course you need to buy your domain, and then you need to set up your email from that domain, and from there you can connect it in your MailingBoss. We need to verify the sender email. So once you've created your business email, we need to verify that. Then we can create a list, a subscriber list. So basically once someone has gone through your sales funnel, they will add their email address and their name, and that will be added to this subscribers list. Then of course we need to create an email sequence. This will be sent out to your subscribers once they have subscribed. Then we can also create a regular broadcast email, we can create template emails, and we can create a workflow. Depending on what we are trying to do, our first step is to create an email list or a subscriber list. This is the list that everyone will join once they have gone through your sales funnel. So first we click on that, and then we go to create a list. Now you can select create list, and here we need to decide on a list name. In this case I will use test. Here we can choose between double and single opt-in. For double, this means that once someone has subscribed to your list, an email will be sent to their email address to verify their email, and that is what counts as a double entry for the subscriber list. Now of course single is usually better. It allows the workflow to move a lot faster. But you may not be able to do single from the start. You might need to first build trust and verify your account, but ultimately single is what you would like to select. For now we will select on double. For opt-out, here we prefer double. This also allows, once a subscriber decides they want to unsubscribe, it requires an extra step for them to do so, which may deter them from actually doing so. So that we can keep on double. Here in description, we can of course decide what is the purpose of this list. This is just for your own internal purposes, if you like to be organized, to know what each list is that you're creating. Okay, and then we can click on save. So now that the list has been created, we have to go through some updates. Here we can choose and update the list name. Here we can choose the company that we have created to what our business is or whatever you'd like to put here. Otherwise, you can use default company. Now I have not connected an email domain for this, so here it gives us a standard or kind of a random domain for our list. But when we click on here, these are some of my other sites that I already have. So you can select, one of these as the sender email. Okay. We can choose the name, who's the person or who's the email coming from. We can also have a subject, a reply to, but these are not all necessary. Okay. Here we can look at these. Welcome email, send the welcome email after registration, confirmation or approval. So you can select if you want to have these extra features. Subscriber requires approval of the subscription. Send data to Builderall CRM. And ranking. Enable this option to turn the list into a viral ranking. Okay, so these are all a bit high level and not necessarily or not necessary for you once you get started, but can look into them into the future. Okay, so then we can update that. We can go to the next part, forms. So here you can add people to various forms if you'd like. We can set up different pages or edit the page, for example, when someone is subscribing or once they have confirmed their subscription. You can edit the look and the text and the body of those emails. Here we can see who we have subscribed to this list. Of course, right now we do not have anyone. You can choose how you would like to get notified or how people can be notified. Okay. And then of course we can import subscribers. If you have already collected a list of subscribers from another method or from another site, you can import them into your Builderall list. So to create our emails, we need to click here on email and all emails. From there, we can select create new email. Here we can give a name to the email. And we can select one of these email types as a sequence, a regular broadcast, or a campaign. So let's click on this one. So now we have created a campaign. Here we can obviously give a name to the email. For example, if you have a sequence of multiple emails, you would say test 1, 2, 3, as you continue to create more. We can obviously edit who it's from, select the email, select who they can reply to if they want to send a reply email, and here we can have a function to call the person's name. So in this case, let's try fname. So over here we can edit the email however we choose. This works as any other text editor that you can think of, and you simply enter your text how you would like, and you would say, for example, hello, and then you would use the function fname. Okay, so now in this case, if someone signed up and they entered their name and email address, here you would say hello, and you would actually pull that person's name from the database, and you would of course have it more personalized because you're actually using their name in the email instead of just having it as a blanket statement. Okay, so we can of course edit this as much as we choose. We can add images. Okay, can add images however we like. We can add buttons. Okay, here on the side you can simply scroll down and look at all the different things that we have. You can put timers in, more text. Okay, so here you can edit each block. Simply double click, you can start typing. Here you can add a link. Where do you want this button to go? Maybe you want it to go to your affiliate link, maybe you want to go to another website. Okay, so you can edit this. You can edit the image, adding different images. You can even add a link to the image. If someone clicks on the link, of course, it takes them to some website or an affiliate link. And so you can go through editing your email however you like, or depending on what purpose you have for the email. Once you've completed and edited as you like, you can say save. Once we click save, it will take us to the next part where we can simply verify and preview what we need and if everything is correct, and we can just click on save and activate. This will activate the email and allow us to start sending the email. Multiple emails, you have added them to a sequence. Here we can create that sequence, and once we create the sequence, we can edit the sequence. Now here is an example. If I click on this, here we have multiple emails that we can see they are sending. The one says after subscribe 1 day, after subscribe 2 day, 3 day, 4 day. And so this is an email sequence that has been set up, which automatically sends an email to the subscriber based on these calculations. Okay, so you have multiple days of email sequences which you need to set up, and once you've set it up, of course, the emails will continue to send as people subscribe. So you have no need to come back and try to send an email individually every day. You can set up the campaign, have it all send out automatically. Then of course we can click on here and we can add another domain or another email to this sequence. Okay, we simply go through the process. We have our emails sending and we are collecting subscribers. We can go to the lists option. These are of course a list of subscribers, and we can look at some information. So we can click on overview, and here we can see how these lists are doing. Okay, we can see how they're growing, how they are, if there are any bounces, if there are, what's the growth like. Okay, so we can get an overview of how the campaign is performing. We can update the campaign, we can update the forms, and basically we can go through this list as I have shown before. Once we have some emails, we can also export them, and we can import new ones if we like, but mainly we can export them if we want to add them to another list. Okay, congratulations. So we have successfully created an email campaign with Builderall. Remember, to maximize your results, it is really important to craft compelling subject lines and segment your audience. It's really important to create meaningful content and to really personalize your emails to get the best results. There are many courses in creating emails and designing emails. I will in the future have some more specific tips and guides on how to create a good performing email. This was just a basic overview and tutorial using Builderall. If you're in need of email marketing software, and if you would like to have an all-in-one digital marketing platform where you can create your websites, your funnels, and run your entire online business, please check the link below to join Builderall now. And if you're looking to make money with affiliate marketing, my mentor Chad has a complete course on affiliate marketing and how to make money online with Builderall. So if you sign up with the link below, you'll get access to this entire course for free. In here we have basic training, we have done for you funnels. These are funnels that have been already made, so you don't need to go through this process of creating the funnel yourself. You can simply import it into your Builderall and have it done for you. Okay, we have got some training on traffic, how to get traffic to your different sites or affiliate marketing, and we have a bunch of extra bonus content. So if you're interested in making money online, please check the link below, and I'll see you on the inside.